was so long overdue, but let's do a deep clean with me slash resetting for the new year slash spring cleaning. This video is a lot of things. We have an Alani energy drink here. It's gonna be a good one. Let's start cleaning. Cheers. Welcome or welcome back. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Katelyn, and my bedroom can get kind of messy at times. I would say as of right now, today's pretty bad. If anything, the most like monumental thing I need to do in this video is clean out that whole entire closet. Also, if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you guys would know I used to do these videos pretty annually. I would literally just go through my closet. And I think in this video, we're gonna be doing pretty much the same thing, but I still want it to be like a bedroom, like deep clean with me, because my desk, as you can see behind me, like there's like stuff everywhere. Not a single like clean space in this room except for my bed. I can proudly show that she is made right now and looks very put together, but like we have the clothes chair. If you know, you know. My desk is cluttered with like random products, and then I also have some like PR packages here. The boxes need to be recycled. I'm about to show you my closet and then also explain my dilemma a little bit as to why I've gotten to this point in my life where I just have way too many clothes. Oh my god, you guys, it's not good. So honestly, like looking at my room, my mess wouldn't even be that bad if I just didn't have so many clothes everywhere. I've been really into trying to find my own personal style. The last couple of months, I've been thrifting so much. I've been heavily shopping on ThredUp, which is like an online thrift store. I mean, the deals are great, but now I'm at this point where I just have so many clothes because I haven't gone through my clothes and gotten rid of like a lot of the clothes I don't wear anymore. So honestly, expect a lot of clothes on my Depop by the end of this video. I already have a good idea of like what I want to sell and what I need to get rid of, but it's just like I haven't done that yet because I've been wanting to film this video. So now I'm just like sitting in a mess of like all these clothes that I need to sell. But I felt like I needed to justify my thought process. I have to say, I am very excited about this closet transformation. This might take an extra day or two as well. Let's do an estimate right now. So it's 11 a.m. We're gonna work on this mostly as of right now. Let me say 4 to 5 hours. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like more cleaning videos, and then also subscribe to my channel if you want to. I would really, really appreciate it. And yeah, let's just get on into dumping out all of my stuff out of this closet. There's a lot on the floor too already, so we're already making progress. Okay, so I'm getting very overwhelmed with getting all this stuff out of my closet, and I'm already seeing stuff like I already know I want to get rid of. I got a trash bag and I'm gonna just start putting stuff in here. This is gonna be like the donate or Depop or whatever, I don't know yet. Don't mind the different change of day really quickly, but I wanted to show you guys some of these clothes I got from Asos. While I was cleaning up my room yesterday, I had a bag of new clothes from Asos sitting there, and I wanted to show you guys some of these pieces because I think it kind of ties into the discussion that I was talking about with finding my own style, why I'm cleaning out my closet. And if you're looking for like a clothing store recommendation, I highly recommend Asos. It's not too expensive and they actually have a lot of sales going on their website. And if there's not a sale, you can use Cooper, which is an extension in your browser to help find coupons all across the web, so you don't have to be paying full price every time and you can be saving money. And I've had such a good experience using Cooper to find coupons on a lot of purchases, and I actually want to say thank you to Cooper for sponsoring today's video. So before I show you guys the clothes, I do want to talk a little bit about the free browser extension. This browser extension is free to download on your computer or desktop, and it supports Chrome, Edge, Opera, Firefox, and Safari, along with Safari on mobile through the Cooper app. And Cooper's automatic testing service is supported by 2.6 million different retailers, and Asos is one of them. It's super simple. You just choose a store, go to the checkout page, and then test the savings, and the coupons will be automatically applied when you're checking out. They also have a cashback rewards program where you can actually get cash back from over 76,000 different retailers like Macy's, Amazon, Sephora, and much more. They usually take an average of 15 days to process, but the more you shop using Cooper, the faster your rewards will load back onto your account. And you can redeem these rewards by a gift card, PayPal, or a bank card. Their price comparison feature is also super helpful. Like for example, I was going to buy this Stanley Cup on Amazon, but I saw that it was offered at a lower price at other retailers, and it pulls up a whole entire entire list of where you can buy the same exact product but for less. And this really cool feature can be used alongside with the automatic coupon testing along with the cashback to make you save even more. You can click on the link in the description to download the extension or the app, and I highly recommend to start using Cooper now to save money and avoid paying the full price in 2025. Once again, thank you Cooper for sponsoring, and let me show you some of these pieces I got. First thing I want to show you are these two button-up sweaters. When I was talking earlier about making a capsule wardrobe full of staples, this is the type of clothing that kind of comes into mind. Here is the first one. It's cream and it's super soft. I also like how the buttons are the same exact color of the sweater. These pieces are all from the Asos design collection as well. This one's really similar, but it has a different knit texture. It's a little bit more chunky, but these sweaters are super high quality and very lightweight. The reason why I like these sweaters for a capsule wardrobe is because you can wear this like as its own, like this by itself, but I also like using this as a layering piece, like to wear a tank top and then have this buttoned open, and then to layer even more you could put like an actual heavy jacket on top of this, and also just really good basics. Speaking of basics, I did get a pair of some dark wash jeans, but these ones have some studs on them, which I find really fun. Like imagine these with some pointed boots and like a sparkly top, or you could wear like a really cute sweater with this during the day. You could really wear this piece specifically from day to night, which I really like. Here's an up close of the denim. It has like kind of a faded wash to it. And the last piece I want to show you guys is this really cute off the shoulder asymmetrical top. This is like a plum kind of purple red color. The material's also kind of like a mesh scrunched on the one side with the normal sleeve, and then it has like this tie around like off the shoulder. I feel like it's kind of hard to show you this unless I'm trying it on, but I cannot wait to wear this out. I think it's so cute. But anyways, those were the few pieces that I wanted to show you guys that I got from Asos. I mean, they were just sitting on my floor and I'm like, how am I about to not unbox some of these clothes and show them on camera? Hope you enjoyed, and anyways, let's get back into cleaning. Okay, you guys, I'm kind of going insane with how messy my room is right now. There's stuff everywhere. Now oh my god, I just stepped on that. Now I kind of want to put all the stuff back up on the top shelf just because I don't know if I can physically take this out right now. There's not enough space in my room. A lot of this stuff is like storage anyways, and one of the main things I wanted to put up on that top shelf is this white suitcase that's been sitting behind my bed like this since I got back from my summer Japan trip. I also think I'm gonna try to put the ski gear back up there because there's literally no other place for me to put my skis in my room. Maybe under my bed actually, since I am going on a ski trip soon, so stay tuned for the vlog. So I don't think I actually want to put it all the way back in my closet. So let's pack up that suitcase. It literally won't fit. It's too big. It's empty, you guys. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put it like right here. So a little bit of an update. It is clearly a little bit later now that the sun has started to set. I'm starting to put some stuff back. I also put some storage boxes up there and some blankets, and then I also put my ski bag equipment of stuff right there. But we have like all this stuff here that I still need to go through, and then we're gonna reorganize this section right here of my closet on where I'm gonna put all my sweaters. I also need to go through these bags right here. It's so funny because this makes me feel like I'm refilming this, but it's literally just adding on another day to what I've already started. You know when you wear like a fuzzy sweater and then you get like the furs all in your makeup? That's like happening to me. I'm having like fuzz in my makeup. It may not look like I did a lot just because I didn't get to cleaning my desk or my bedding or like doing literally anything else but the closet, but I would say that I got the majority of my work done with that because that was a lot of organizing. Ironically, I cleaned out and got rid of clothes, but now I don't have space to put my pants back in. I mean, it makes sense because I put the whole entire suitcase up in there. Like, that suitcase is no longer on my floor and taking up floor space, and now I don't have room for my pants. I don't know what to really do about that. But once I figure out that problem, I'm basically done with the closet. Like, we did that. This is the stuff I'm getting rid of and donating. And like, look at all these jeans. Like, I have all these pants and I don't know where to put them because I put all my sweaters down here. That's where they originally were. So that's honestly my dilemma right now. I thought I would get rid of more clothes, but at the same time, I really like my wardrobe here. And then I was thinking more about it. A lot of the clothes I don't wear are back in my hometown, like parents' house. I have like a whole entire closet of clothes I don't wear. Like, those are the clothes I should be getting rid of because everything I took up here, like to move up here with me, is like pretty much clothes I wear. If anything, these are the clothes I wear the most compared to the clothes I have back at home. When I go home for spring break, I'm definitely doing an old closet clean out. But I do think I got rid of like quite a bit of stuff, to be honest. Like, this is a whole entire trash bag. I think my last resort is to really just clean out one of these things here. Maybe I put my denim jeans in. Why do hairs keep getting in my eyeballs? I took out 3 of those. I'm going to try to fit all of my skirts in this one box. And then I filled up 2 of these bins with my pants. Kind of reorganized my cubicle in my closet. I made all my sweaters go down vertically, and same with my boxes. So the only thing I have to do right now is just go through these skirts. I'm also gonna go through my workout stuff just because I have so much of this and I don't really wear a lot of the stuff I have. Okay, now we're on my floor. We're going to go through all of my bags that I own along with my shoe rack here. These were all up in the top of my closet, so I know I don't really wear these purses that often. I'm definitely selling this. I just don't use that bag as often as like my other bags. These heels will be on my Depop along with these ballet flats. Okay guys, so I basically finished doing the closet portion of this video. The only thing I have to do now is take pictures of all the stuff I want to sell on Depop. After I take the Depop photos, I'm gonna do that on my bed actually. Then I'm actually gonna strip all the bedding and then wash it because that's another thing I wanted to do. Even though my bed looks made, like it's still dirty. But then after that, I want to clean my desk and like all the surfaces in my room, pick up all the clutter, random stuff that is misplaced in my room that needs to be put in storage. And then I want to wipe down everything and then vacuum, and I hope that's it. But this is like the second half of the cleaning now. It's like the actual room. The closet needed its own like section because it's just so bad. But she looks so beautiful. Like, my closet's never been this organized. Definitely go check out my Depop after this video. The link to everything will be in the description box. It's just annoying that I'm gonna have to like have this in my room for a little bit until it like sells and until I can drop off the donation box. I just did that for like 20 minutes and I'm over it because it's taking so long. I don't want to waste my time doing that right now. I can just put on a movie and do that like later this week. But now I kind of want to just finish cleaning up my room. I'm going to switch out my bedding and then wipe down and clean all of the surfaces. So let's cue a really nice cleaning montage. My bed looks so clean and it's just so nice. I cannot wait to sleep tonight. I'm gonna put the cover of this on like after it's done washing. Day and also the last day of this video. As you guys saw yesterday, I finished vacuuming and my room has never looked any cleaner than it does right now, and it's actually so nice. Finally have a clean room. The only thing that's kind of unfortunate is that I have to keep this pile of clothes behind me right there up until everything sells. So please go check out my Depop at Katelyn DeWitt if you want to go buy something and help me clean out my room. But I'll give you guys a little bit of a tour. Just ignore that pile of clothes. Here's like the entrance area. I have all of my shoes here. It looks kind of messy, but trust me, it's organized. I just have like all of my bags stacked on top of here because I still need to figure out what I'm doing with like these hangers, to be honest. But all the shoes are organized. And then over here I have my shelves and you can kind of see most of my room by now. I was actually gonna move this into my closet, but I'm actually going out of town this weekend, so I'm gonna be using that literally like in 3 days to pack. I travel quite frequently too, so this is like my mini suitcase, the one that I use pretty much all the time. I also feel like it kind of matches the aesthetic a little bit because it's pink, not as big and bulky as the white one that's in my closet. Speaking of my closet, you guys, this is monumental right here. Look at how organized it is. It probably doesn't look that organized to you guys. In the beginning of this video, it was so bad. Like, I don't know if you guys remember what it looked like before, but here is the after. And then when you close these doors, here I have my little mirror area. This would look all clean and organized, but I have all the stuff I'm selling on Depop. Please disregard this temporarily. By the time I upload this video, all the listings will be up. I have a feeling like all this stuff is just gonna sell in like a couple of days. Over here, I have some books here. I don't know if you guys remember, this was so cluttered and now it's all clean. I decided to leave this like body lotion out just because it kind of looks aesthetic. I don't know, the packaging's kind of cute. I tend to use that throughout the day. And then moving over is my bed area. You can kind of see like my bed, desk, chair. My bedding looks super clean and nothing really changed here except for the fact that I washed everything, so I cannot wait to sleep in my bed tonight. I feel like if you know, you know. And then moving over to my nightstand, I just have like my water bottle, some more hand cream, and just like lip masks and a sleeping mist. And then over here, I have the chair that is all cleaned off. I don't know if you guys remembered in the beginning of this video, there was clothes everywhere on that stupid chair. Now people can actually sit on it. And also my windowsill is all cleared off as well. And then over here is my desk. There are things on it. I just have my laptop here. And then I also have some journals that I'm constantly using, like for school and personal stuff. I also have my morning cup of coffee right there. This will go in the kitchen once I'm done with it. And then I just have some lip stuff here. I wanted to get rid of this and like put this away because I feel like it would look so much better without it being on my desk. But at the same exact time, I'm always reapplying like lip products. I mainly did that because if I don't have that, then I'm constantly going through my bags or like big makeup bag in my desk and then like taking out things to like find certain lip products. And it's just better if I have them like all laid out right there, so I don't have to like go through my stuff and then like make a bigger mess. But yeah, that is pretty much the tour, you guys, of my room. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and make sure to give it a thumbs up if you like these types of videos. Also comment down below this secret emoji if you made it up to the end, and then also follow me on Instagram at @KatelynDeWitt_. I'd really appreciate it. I've been posting a lot on there. And then also subscribe to my channel if you want to as well. Thank you again, Cooper, for sponsoring today's video. Definitely go check them out if you shop a lot online. I want to save some extra money with finding some discounts. The links and information will all be down in the description box, and yeah, I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!